Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to today's tutorial. This is MMC Design. Please, if you are watching this video, kindly hit the like button, share it, and also hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless you. And also I'll be dropping more videos on how to create other stunning flyers as well using Pixellab and Pixart. So stay tuned. Without further ado, I'm going to be showing you guys how I designed this flyer using my smartphone, courtesy of Pixellab and Pixart. Okay, how I imported the images and stuff like that. I got the images from Pinterest. Those people that are in my class that I've spoken to about Pinterest, how you can download images, how to use the search button, what to type, and what have you. Okay, that was how I got the ellipse that is representing the flyer and the other images there. As you can see, that includes what they sell, such as the lipstick and the lip balm and other things, so that is making the design look very nice, attractive, and beautiful. And also we also have here the PNG form of the lipstick. Okay, that is just filling in that space that is representing or also speaking as a lip flyer, a lip gloss flyer. Okay, so even if you've never even started reading the whole thing, or you don't really know how to read like that, seeing the images alone will make you know, oh, this is a lip gloss flyer. That's how we have to use the images. That's what all these images represent. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to show you how I use my Pixellab to design this from scratch. So let's dive in. So the first thing I'm going to do is to open my Pixellab. Okay, this is what Pixellab interface looks like. So I'm going to import to get the size of the design. First of all, I'm not just going to start designing all of a sudden like that. I'm going to have to get the size. Okay, so I'm not going to use the import. I'm going to actually import it from gallery, using my from gallery, not using this import. Okay, I'm going to do it from gallery, using from gallery here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on my from gallery, locate where the flyer is, click on it, and click on my check mark, and automatically it's fitting into my layouts, including the image size and everything. As you can see, the image size there, 1280 by 1280. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to start my designing. I'm going to make this design very easy so you guys can understand. Okay, I'm also going to import the flyer. First of all, I'm going to be importing the flyer. Good, this is going to import the flyer. I haven't done this. Now I'm going to start working on this flyer with immediate effect. So please listen attentively, and pay close attention to every detail, every move, everything I'm going to be doing on this video. Okay, thank you very much. Now what I'm going to be doing now is to change the background color. Mind you, I'm replicating what is in this flyer that is moving around. Okay, I'm trying to replicate it. So I'm going to change the background color. So to change my background color, I'm going to come here on this node, this last node. Okay, and click on my color. Then I'm going to click on gradients. If you look closely at this flyer, there are two colors, white and a kind of purple, a light purple there. Okay, it's as if the purple is fading. So I'm going to use my gradient. Gradient is a mixture of one or two or three or multiple colors all together. Okay, but in this design, the designer used two colors. Okay, as you can see, I've already created the gradients, 3 or 4 gradient colors to fit in this design tutorial. So I'm going to click on the first one. As you can see, it has changed already. Don't worry, you just watch what I'm doing. Okay, so after changing the background color, I'm going to click on my OK. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create a shape. Okay, I'm going to create a shape. Hold on, so you guys can see what I'm doing closely. Okay, so I'm going to lock this. So I'm going to be designing on this flyer, like on top of it. Anything I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be saying it to a particular stage, then I'm going to remove it, and you see how beautiful it is. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be creating a shape. So I'm going to click on my shape. Okay, what I'm creating is the one that has images inside of them. The one that has these 4 images, 1, 2, 3, 4 inside of them. That's the shape I'm trying to create. So first I'm going to create a shape, one shape, and drag it down like this. Okay, drag it down, position it. I'm going to use my rotate button and rotate it to fit in the way this guy is already being rotated, which is -7, as you can see. Okay, so I'm just going to drag the side, cover this other place, because I'm trying to design on top of this flyer. Okay, so I'm just going to edit it and bring this down. Okay, it's -7. Then I'm going to click on my check mark. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my shadow effect. Okay, if you look at the original flyer behind this shape, you see that there is a shadow under the shape being created. Okay, so I'm going to click on my shadow effect and click on OK. Okay, did you see? So now the blur radius, this blur radius, I don't want it to be too thick. I want it to be blur, like it's fading. Okay, and so I'm going to increase it. Sorry, I'm going to decrease it rather. Let's leave it at, let's leave it at 4. Then I'm going to come to my offset O and reduce it to -4. My blur radius, I think I'm going to, okay, sorry, the blur radius, I'm going to, I increased everything to 25. My bad, I'm sorry. Then this offset X and offset Y. Offset X is to actually either move the shadow to the left or to the right, as you can see. Then offset Y is to move the shadow upwards or downwards. Okay, so but in this case I'm using offset X and I'm moving it to the left hand side. Just going to push it inside, so to be clear there's a shadow there. So just leave it at 5, sorry, or at 4. Okay, then I click on 9. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lock the shape. I'm going to lock it. Then I'm going to create another shape again. Okay, create another shape. After creating the shape, I'm going to give it a red color, the same color that is as the one we are replicating. Okay, so this is the color already. Okay, but I'm going to show you guys how I got this color. So this plus sign you are seeing here, this plus sign at the right, you click on the plus sign. I want to steal the color this designer used in his design. Sorry if I'm using the word steal, or I want to replicate the same color. I want to take the color from the design. Okay, so I'm going to click on the plus sign, click on this color eyedropper from this first one that has a small dot beneath. Okay, my color eyedropper tone. So I'll click on it. Automatically it will bring me to the things I have done so far, just like the color gradients I use in the background, the image I imported, which are going to be taking the color from, and the shape I created. So the color I want is this color red. So this little guy here, this little icon, as you can see, moving, touching many things, and as you can look at this top here, your top right corner, you see as I'm moving this little icon, the colors are changing. Okay, so meaning anything I touch, if I want to take that particular color, I just have to click on my OK, and automatically it changes whatever it is in my background to that particular color. But in this case, it's the red I want to use, so I'll bring it down to the red here and click on my OK, click on my OK, and automatically we have this red color, like exactly the one we are replicating. So I'm going to click on my OK, then edit it, drag the side to fit in like the one at the back. Okay, as you can see, so just drag to the end, bring this guy down and centralize centralize it using your relative position to the middle. Okay, just centralize it. Don't use the up and down. No, just leave it at the middle using the normal center button and click on your OK. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is to move it to the back. Don't worry, I'm going to remove this particular one I imported. Okay, so I'm going to move to the back, then I am going to back it up. Better still, let me see something. Okay, but I still want you guys to see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to move it to the back and I'm going to lock the shape. Now I'm going to create another shape again. The shapes used in this design is 4. Okay, 4 shapes. We created 2, is remaining 2. So I'm going to create the third shape. So remember, I've locked these 2 shapes, okay, the white and the red. Now I'm going to create the one that has the services. Okay, so I'm going to click on my shape again. Now this time I'm going to use my radius. Okay, this is my radius. Each time you click on the shape, this radius is either to remove the edge, the blunt edge, and give it this curvy shape. Okay, so the more you drag it, depending on how you want to edit whatever it is you want to edit, the more you drag it, the more it gives it that curvy shape. And from this shape you can actually turn it into a circle, as you can see. Okay, but that's not what we are doing. We just want to give the edge a curvy side, just a little curve. So I'm going to leave it at 5. Okay, then I'm going to drag it just to fit into this place. Please pay close attention to what I'm doing. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is to give it the exact same color on the design I'm covering. Okay, so the color I gave it is this one. This is the color used, this light purple. Okay, so I still go ahead and show you how I got the light purple the same way I got the red color the first time. That was the same way I got this purple. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to click on my plus sign. Okay, then click on my color eyedropper tool, then click on the flyer, click on the color I want to take, which is this purple. Do you see? Then I'll click on my check mark and click on OK, and automatically this is the color. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and lock it again. Now I'm going to create the last shape. So instead of creating shape again, I'm just going to copy this one. Okay, I'll just copy. Okay, then change the color to white. Okay, so I'm just going to look for where my color is. Click on color, enable it, and change it to white. Okay, then I'm going to bring it down. The last shape also has a curved edge, as you can see down. There's a curved edge here. Okay, so I'm just going to reduce it, like resize it to fit in here, as you can see. Then drag it down a little bit. Okay, just edit it to the exact same way that the previous flyer has. Then I'm going to use my relative position to centralize it and click on my check mark, and we are good to go. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the flyer behind the shapes we've been creating since. Okay, I did that for us to see, so we can have accurate measurement of the shapes we are creating and the shadows, for everything to be accurate and for you guys to be able to follow up on what I'm doing and understand as well. So I'm going to remove the flyer I imported. I'm going to unseal it. Okay, and this is what we have been working on. You see how beautiful it is? So I'm just going to start typing all those things, like what is in the flyer. I'm going to bring it to the front. Sorry, excuse me. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to be creating shapes. These images inside the shape we created the first time. Here you have the lipstick, the one with the lips and stuff like that. That's what we're going to be creating next. Okay, so I'm going to create another shape. After creating the shape, I'm going to add texture. Texture is to add the image, okay, to make the image show inside the shape we've created. That's the job of this texture, that's the function. So I'm going to click on my texture, click on image, then it will take me to where I have the image. Okay, so anywhere you have your gallery, whatever image you want to use, it might not be in this one as it is being shown in my phone. It could be on your WhatsApp, it could be on your status, it could be on any of the folder. Your job is just to look for it and click on the image, and automatically it will appear inside the shape you've created. Okay, so without talking much or saying much, I'll just click on this first shape, this first image, and I'll click on my check mark. As you can see, automatically it is in. Okay, but it's too big. I want to crop it out a little, so I'm going to import it again. I'm just going to do this and click on my OK. Then I'm going to use my scale, okay, to increase it so it will come closer to the shape so that my audience can see it. So I'm going to reduce this and make sure it fits into the shape I've created before. Okay, increase it a little, then use my position to balance it. Then I'm going to copy. Okay, then I'm going to copy it again. Copy, then go to where I have my texture, then change the image. That's how I'm going to do it for the 4 shapes. Okay, so I'm going to click on my image, click on this one, and click on my OK. Then use my scale to balance it. Okay, and I'm going to bring it inside here. No need to rotate again. Since the first one you copied is well rotated, you just have to copy. Everything is the exact same measurement, same scale, same size. You don't need to be reducing or resizing anything. You just have to be positioning it very well. Okay, just have to position it very well such that it fits and there is space for other 2 to come in. And I'm going to copy again. Remember, same size, everything is still the same thing, nothing to edit. Again, I'll just be changing what's inside the shape. Okay, then I'll click on my texture, click on my image. Okay, and I'll click on the second one, click on OK. Do you see? Hope you guys are following. Then I'm going to use my position to adjust it. So mind you, I'm not resizing, I'm not rotating again. Everything is well done before. Okay, in the first one. So I'm going to copy again, which is the last one, and place it here. Click on my texture and click on the last image. Okay, use my scale to increase it for it to be visible. And we have this. Okay, do you guys see what I've just did? So I'm going to go ahead and lock all these shapes. Now if you observe these 2 flyers, you will see hold on, let me show you what I'm talking about. You will see that this image, this particular one that has light purple and has all those things on it, the right up, is on top of the images we just imported now that we added texture, is on top, and the last one that has the phone number and the Instagram account and email address is also on top of the image. What do we do? Okay, that's what we're going to do. That's what I'm going to show you. Okay, how to bring the image to the front. Okay, I sincerely apologize for that. I'm so sorry. So as I was saying, I'm going to bring this image to the front. Okay, the shape rather to the front. So I'm going to click on my layer and click on the shape, which is this one. Okay, remember I created 4 shapes. So you just have to be touching or clicking on each of them until you see that the icon has popped up here on your background. That's when you know that's the one you're looking for. Then I'm going to click on to front. I'm going to move it to the front. Okay, so I'll click on my to front, and automatically it has been moved to the front. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to have to resize it for it to be smaller, so the image at the back can show. Okay, so I'm just going to drag this down, the width. Just going to drag the width a little. Yeah, drag it down a little and leave it here. Okay, I think there's a little shadow beneath, so I'm going to add shadow, increase the blur radius. I think there's a shadow beneath this one. Okay, I'm just going to edit it a little. Now for the last shape at the bottom, which is this guy, this one, I'm just going to bring it to the front again, and that is it. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is to add our write-up to each and every one of the shapes created. So now I'm going to import this logo on this flyer. Okay, I'm going to have to import the logo on this way. Like I said, we are replicating what is here. We only have different images, okay, not similar images, and the font we're going to be using is going to be similar as well, but it's going to be different. Okay, so for me to import this logo is just as if I'm trying to import the flyer again. I'm just going to have to crop out the logo part and place it on the design. Very simple. Let me show you. So I'm going to click on my import, click on the flyer. I'm not going to click on my OK now. I'm going to crop out the logo. Okay, crop out the logo, and click on my OK. Do you see? Now we now have the logo. I'm just going to have to resize it and place it here. Place it here. Okay, and now we have the logo. It's not even showing because it is the exact same color we took from the original design. That is what we also imported. So there is no trace except you add an outline to it or a shadow. Okay, now this one is going to show that it was copied or cropped out, but when you don't add anything to it, there is no trace at all. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to be doing is to type in the words. Okay, the first one is glossy. I'm going to use the color red. Now the font I'm going to be using for this, though it's not the same but it's similar, is 7th August. 7th August is the name of the font I used. Okay, now click on my OK. As you can see, it is quite similar, not the same, but it's similar. Okay, so I'll increase it and place it well. I'm going to have to reduce the logo a little, then take this up a little. Okay, then I'm going to copy and type deals. Okay, now as you can see, we have glossy deals. They were not typed together, they were typed separately. If they were typed together, the words, the letters will be clashing with each other like this. Okay, so they were typed separately. So I'll just reduce this a little and place this one here. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is to lock the both of them. After locking, then I'll type the next one. It says we deal on both wholesale and retail of any shades of lip gloss. Okay, please pay close attention. We deal on both wholesale and retail of any shades of lip gloss. gloss. Okay, I'm going to give it a black color. Then the font I'll be using for this is Codex Bold Italic. Codex Bold Italic. To locate these fonts, click on your fonts. Like I said, these fonts are arranged alphabetically. Okay, so I'm going to scroll to where I have my letter C. Letter C, A, B, C. Now, as you can see, it is under Cartoon Maker. This is after letter B, you have letter C. So I'll click on this. Is it Codex Bold Italic? They have Codex Italic, Codex Regular, but I'm using Codex Bold Italic. Okay, then I'll click on my OK. Then I'm going to reduce it. So of any, not if. Of any. Okay. Now I'll leave this here. Okay, and I'm going to use my alignment to merge them a little. I need to just close the gap a little. Good. Then I'm going to increase the size a little. The size is at 24. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do. Next thing I'm going to do is to start putting the services, list of services, lip moisturizer, lip masks, facial masks. They were typed differently. Okay, so let's go. Lip moisturizer, lip what? Lip mask, facial mask. Okay, lip mask, facial mask, under eye mask. Okay, under eye mask. So this is the first set. I'm going to change the color to black. Then the font is still going to be Codex Bold Italic. Okay, now click on OK. Then I'm going to reduce the size. Reduce it. Then place it here. Okay, just use my position to adjust it a little. Then I will copy again because of the fonts. I will copy again. And just change the wording. So here we have effective paint lip cream, effective paint lip cream, exfoliating lip scrub, and lip balm. Please kindly hit the like button, share this video so that other people can see as well, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be the first person to get a notification each time I drop a video on graphics, especially on Pixellab. Okay, thank you very much. We're almost done, and lots more. So I haven't done that. I'm going to drop this one here as well. So as you can see, I'm going to make it bold. Okay, make the first one bold as well. Okay, I haven't done this. We're going to move on now to the we're almost done. Now here, these are the address of the owner of this flyer. That's the phone number, the Gmail address, and the Instagram account. But in place of this, I'm just going to put an address and phone number. Okay, in place of this, I'm going to use an address and a phone number. So I'm going to come here and click on an address. So You can put any address of your choice. So this is the address I'm using, and I'm going to give it color black. Then the same font, I'm maintaining the same codex bold italic. For those who are in my class, I said for any flyer you are designing, the number of fonts you ought to use should not be more than 2. 3 is allowed, but to me I feel 3 is too much. It depends on where the third font comes in, okay? But to me 2 is okay for normal flyers like this. 2 is okay. You just have to be changing it, know when to change the size, know when it ought to be big and when it ought to be small, okay? Depends on the information on the flyer. So I'm going to copy again and change this to phone number quickly. So you can put your phone number as well. Then I'm going to bring it down here and increase it a little. Okay, I'm also going to increase the address a little. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to import the icons. As you can see, there are icons on this flyer. The Gmail address icon, the WhatsApp or call icon, and the Instagram logo icon. But for since I'm using address and phone number, I'm going to be importing their icons respectfully. Okay, so please sit tight, we're almost done. I hope you are enjoying this tutorial. I hope I'm not too fast as well. So I'm going to click on my imports. You can download the icon from Pinterest. Just click on your search button and search for WhatsApp logo or call logo. If the number is a WhatsApp logo, click on your Pinterest search bar and search for call logo or WhatsApp logo. Or if you will see any logo like this. If the number is a calling logo and a WhatsApp number and a calling number, I'm sorry, you can download this one as well. So for this, I ought to remove the background, okay, but I'm not, because of I'm still placing it on a white image as well, so it's not actually necessary. So I'm just going to reduce the size, reduce it, and position it closer to the phone number. Okay, then I'm going to import the icon for address. Okay, so the same way you downloaded the icon for WhatsApp or call, the same way you're going to go to Pinterest and search for what's it called, address icon or logo. Okay, now this one I want to use, this is one I have, okay, but it comes with a black background. I cannot import it, I cannot reduce it like the same way I reduce the WhatsApp and place it here. Why? Because the color is red and it has a black background. It will make my design not look professional at all, like the way this original one is looking. So I'm going to go to my erase color and remove the black. Do you see? Then I'm going to reduce it. Okay, no need of changing the color again to black or anything. It's optional if you want to. If you want to, it doesn't say change anything, but I love the way I imported it. I love the color, so I'm not changing it. You can change yours. Okay, so I'm just going to bring this down, position it very well, and reduce it a bit. You can use your relative size to reduce anything too as well. Okay, so I'm just going to keep making adjustments for it to look okay. I'm going to use my spacing, my line spacing, to bring it up just to close the gap a little. Okay, now for the last and not the least, we are going to be importing this lipstick PNG. I'm going to be importing the lipstick PNG, this one. Okay, that's what we are going to be importing. Okay, now I don't have exactly that one, but I can make do with what we have there. We're almost done. So I'm just going to have to import it and place it correctly. Take it to my Pixellab and edit it. Then you're going to see the final result. Okay. Yeah, we have it. This is the one I have. All these PNG images, you can find them on Pinterest. Okay, find them on Pinterest. I'm just going to rotate it and place it like this here. I'm going to make little adjustment though, adjusting this ones, the wordings, so the icon can fit in where I want it to fit in. Okay, I'm going to bring them back to our previous positions rather, I'm sorry. But for the sake of this, to get what I want, okay, to get the result I'm looking for, I'm just going to increase it a little and place it here. Okay, then I'm going to take everything back to their previous position. Okay, can you see? I'm going to reduce the size of this guy, of this one. I'm going to reduce it a little and place it here. Just have to keep adjusting it. Reduce the size again, or rather bring the glossy views downwards. Now I want to, like the one in this flyer, as you can see, they are well aligned. This one is under the views, well placed. Okay, but because of this icon here, I can't adjust it to be under this one like this, because it is covering some of the letters. I think it's covering a word there. Okay, but I see someone wanted this lipstick to show, but I guess I'm going to have to leave it like this. Okay, it's because theirs is longer, the one here is longer, and that's why it's lengthy, getting to that point. If I decide to increase this one, it's going to cover much of the spaces here, making me adjust the list of services here and the address and phone number to the right hand side, not giving my design alignment. So I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, this is okay. Okay, this is okay, and that is all. Okay, we have our flyer. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one, and this is what we have. Okay, this is our flyer that we replicated. So I'm going to save this as an image, and I'm going to move it to my Pixellab for further editing. Okay. When saving any design you've done in Pixellab, remember to save as Ultra. Okay, I'm going to open my Pixellab. Wait for it to load. Okay, let me do that again. Open my Pixellab. I'm going to click on this plus sign. Okay, you don't really need data to add some effects on Pixellab. Using Pixellab on your design depends on the effect you want to use. Okay, although you need data to load some certain features. Okay, but because of I have those features loaded already, I can use them in my offline design. Okay, so I'm going to click on this plus sign. Click on edit an image or video. Okay, this last one here. You can also use Pixellab to remove background, as you can see here. Add text, remove background. Okay, but we want to edit our flyer. Let's not dive into that for now. So I'm going to click on that. Then click on the flyer I want to edit. This is the first one. The first one I saved. This is the design. That is the first one you are seeing. That's what I want to edit. So I'm going to click on it, and automatically it will come out here. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this FX, then click on HDR1, this first one. Okay, As you can see, there was a little change. If you notice, if I click on none, you see to go back to Pixellab, the raw editing. But I'm clicking on HDR. As you can see, there are little changes made. Okay, so I'm going to increase the saturation for the color and beauty to come out. Then for the unsharp, I'm going to reduce it a bit. Okay, then I'm going to click on my check mark. The next thing I'm going to do is to scroll to where I have mask. Now, before now I said sometimes you might use data to load some certain features in Pixels. These features are in mask. Okay, here you have the dust, water, fire, and food and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to click on my water. These ones have been preloaded to an extent, but there are some I will click on that will require data. Okay, these ones have been preloaded, so I'm going to click on water. I used water effects. Okay. Then here you have these 4 icons that looks like mirror version: horizontal, vertical, up and down, sideways. Okay, just play with it, but be creative. Don't use many light effects. Okay, so this is the one I used, but I reduced it. Okay, it should be 50-50. It should not be too much, it should not be too dim, it should just be there. It should be eye-catching. Okay, and I'll leave it like this at 68. I guess it's still too much. I'll leave it at 59 or 60. Then I'll click on my check mark. Now the last thing I will do, avoid adding too many effects on your design, because you want to see all those things. You need to design with intention. You need to design with clarity. Okay, it's something you're portraying to your client, to the audience. You want them to be able to read, not see the light effects. They should be able to read what is on the flyer. So lastly, I'm going to add my sharp one. So I'm going to add my sharp effects. Okay, and save. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and share to my YouTube channel, MMC Design. Thank you. God bless you. See you in our next class. This is the final result of what we just did. Stay blessed. God bless you.